Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing very well. So let's begin with our today's meditation journey. Before we start with our meditation, I would like to give you some simple instructions. Keep your eyes closed all throughout the meditation. Please do not follow any mudras. Keep your palms open and in the receiving position. Whenever asked to keep both of your hands on the heart, you will place both of your hands on the center of your chest. So that is the heart chakra and not your functioning heart. And lastly, if possible, sit on the floor and follow the meditation. It's not a compulsion, but you will feel or you will get a better result if you sit on the floor and follow the meditation. For those of whom who cannot sit on the floor, you can sit on the bed or on the chair. But see to it that when you're sitting on the chair, your feet is not dangling. So if it is hanging in the air, do take a cushion to support. Your feet should touch the ground whenever you're sitting on the chair. But for those of who can follow the meditation by sitting on the ground, please sit on the floor and follow the meditation. So let's begin with our today's meditation. Thank you so much. Hello everyone. So let's begin with our today's beautiful meditation. But before we start our meditation, as our last meditation, I decided to choose a message from the universe. So the first message is, I surrender to the power greater than me. And the second message is, when I accept the love of the universe as my primary teacher, I will always be guided back to light. So in today's meditation, let's see if we can surrender to the universe, letting go of all our fears and finding the light that is within all of us. So let's begin with our today's meditation. Sit in a comfortable position and gently close your eyes. Start focusing on your breathing. See how you breathe in and how you breathe out. Let your breathing be very, very easy. Let it be very gentle. एखादी छानशी वाऱ्याची झुळूक कशी असते ना, अगदी अलगद आपल्याला स्पर्श करून जाते. अगदी तसं आणि तितकं हळूवार ब्रीदिंग करायचं आपल्याला. Try to focus only on your breathing. तुमच्या श्वासोश्वासावरतीच लक्ष केंद्रित करायचा प्रयत्न करायचा. इतकं जेंटली ब्रीथ करायचं आणि इतकं हळूवार ब्रीथ करायचं की तुमच्या शेजारी एखादा व्यक्ती जर बसलेला असेल तर त्याला सुद्धा तुमच्या श्वासाचा आवाज येता कामा नये. असं इमॅजिन करायचं आहे की तुम्ही एखाद्या छान सुंदर अशा बागेत आहात. यू आर इन अ ब्युटिफुल गार्डन. लेट्स स्टार्ट वॉकिंग इन दॅट गार्डन. बघू किती विविध तऱ्हेची फुलं आहेत तिथे. प्रत्येक फूल हे किती छान आणि युनिक आहे. प्रत्येक फुलाचा रंग, स्पर्श हा किती एकमेकांपासून वेगळा आहे. प्रत्येक फूल हे अगदी टुमदार आहे, छान असं. आणि असंच चालता चालता आपल्याला एक सुंदर असं फूल दिसतंय. You are automatically attracted to this beautiful flower that you see right in front of your eyes. Start walking towards this flower. It is trying to tell you something, probably. And as you reach closer to this flower, you are mesmerized by its beauty. इतकं सुंदर आणि देखणं फूल तुम्ही याआधी कधीच पाहिलेलं नाहीये. And you decide to sit in front of the flower. You wish to observe it. You wish to connect with this beauty that is there right in front of your eyes. ऐकू येतंय का तुमच्या मनाला? ते फूल तुम्हाला काय सांगण्याचा प्रयत्न करतंय? And as you start paying attention to what the flower is trying to tell you, you gradually start connecting your heart with the flower. Every breath of your body, every heartbeat is gently and slowly connecting with this flower that is right in front of your eyes. तुमचं मन हळूहळू कळत नकळत त्या फुलाशी जोडलं जातंय. It is okay to surrender in this moment. It is okay to be completely present in this beautiful moment that you're experiencing right now. And as you start connecting with this beautiful flower, you gradually become one with the beauty that is in front of you. Ask the flower if it has a message for you. What is it trying to tell you right now? Is it asking you to be okay with the light that is shining within you? Is it trying to tell you that it's okay to be different? It is okay to bloom a little later in your life. Is it trying to tell you that every color of every flower is important, and so is your color important to the universe? Ask the flower to give you strength to be as surrendered as it is to the nature. It doesn't struggle to prove to anyone how important it is. It doesn't struggle to prove that it is better than anyone. तुम्ही बघितलंय का एखाद्या फुलाला स्वतःला दुसऱ्याशी कंपेअर करताना? Is it upset when it blooms or it doesn't bloom on time? Ask the flower to give you this surrenderance in your life. This surrenderance to the nature, to the universe, the creator. We all have a different journey. We all have different things to accomplish. We all have a different purpose. We all are the missing pieces of one big jigsaw puzzle. Every flower in the garden makes the garden. So everyone's contribution is important. Ask the flower to give you this acceptance. Acceptance of your journey and your life. Acceptance of the love that is present around us in all the forms. And as you ask for this acceptance, this strength, the flower that is right in front of your eyes starts converting into beautiful multicolored light, and it starts entering your heart, making your heart warmer, gentler. तुमच्या नजरेसमोर त्या सुंदर अशा फुलाचं रूपांतर छान अशा रेशमी रंगीत लाईट मध्ये झालं. आणि अलगद अगदी हळूवार हा प्रकाश तुमच्या मनाच्या आत शिरू लागलाय. Melting away all the fears, all the worries. तुमच्या नकळत तुमच्या मनातली भीती, ताण कधी नाहीसा होऊ लागला, तुम्हाला समजलंच नाही. It has started converting your heart into this beautiful light. Absorb this light and protect it in every part of your body. Take a full deep breath in. Breathe in and breathe out. You can still see the garden, and the flower is still there in your heart. And you slowly start walking back. Feel your body. Move your toes and very gently open your eyes. There is no hurry. Take your time. Thank you so much.